What's up, guys? Stormstrike H2O here. After the recent comments or the most recent, since honestly, it's been 3 months since I've uploaded. A couple of comments on that video that I made of the auto key presser. You guys have told me about some bugs and some things to add to the key presser that I have added now. Let me show you guys. So this is the auto key presser script. This is the auto clicker script, which I will show you guys in the next video. That's also something I made. But this is the auto key presser script, all of the basic stuff. I'm not sure if the GUI has changed since the last time I've made this key presser script. I went through like 17 different versions of this script inside of with the Claude AI chatbot that I use for like coding. And also, once again, let me say this. I do not know fully how to code. I will probably learn soon. My dream is to make it into the NBA. But if that fails, I will become backseat developer. I forgot what it's called, but they make like $200 an hour, and you can just sit on your butt all day. Like, it's really good money, and you don't really have to do anything. So yeah, but I don't know how to code yet. I'm just focusing on getting my homework done and trying to get good grades in school, and also all of my basketball stuff. But anyways, this is the key presser. Not sure if the GUI has changed since last time, but the stuff that I have changed is that people were not able to select the shift. That's my dog. People were not able to select the shift or space buttons into here because it would be automatically unselected. 1 second, I gotta close my door. Alright, guys, I'm back. My parents came here, but yeah, so this is the normal thing. I've fixed the issue where you could not select the shift or space buttons. And also, when you press set, it has this new GUI thingy. And when you hold down a key, it says press any key, then it says input found. When you let go, it selects it. So, of course, you can press space, you can do shift, now you can do any button. And let me highlight a problem that someone has had that I'm not sure if you guys are having with some video games. So with certain video games, they make their priority. They make it so that way the game itself is the main priority, and anything running in the background just gets ignored when it comes to the priority of how they run the stuff. So in some games like Minecraft that I've tested this out in, you have to run this key presser thingy inside of administrator. You have to run in administrator, and then it'll change the priority to make it over the game, because administrator is the highest unless you run the game itself in administrator. But this would still go over it because they would be on the same level. They would just cancel each other out. But yeah, so if a game is not, if this isn't doing anything inside of a game, even if it has a chat, if it's not doing anything, then run it as administrator. And if you still have problems, comment on my videos if you guys have any problems, and I'll try and fix them. And I'll make new versions of these scripts and all that. But oh, and one more thing. I heart comments sometimes. So my hearted comments, the reason why I heart comments is not because just to show the appreciation for the thing. It's well, mostly that, but most times more than that, I heart comments because it's people dealing with problems, and is people dealing with problems, and then I solve them, and then I heart their comment, because anybody who, let me give you guys a tip of what I do. Anybody whose comments that I've hearted, I've fixed a certain problem that most people who have the script are probably having. So before you make a comment saying that a certain thing is, just not working with whatever, look through my hearted comments first, and if you guys find a hearted comment, please like it so I can go to the top, because as you know, on YouTube you cannot pin comments, unfortunately. So just make sure to like all of my hearted comments, so that way they can go up to the top, and so that way you guys don't have to search through like a lot of comments to find the problem that you were looking for. But if you do not find the problem that you were looking for from my hearted comments, then please comment about it. And yeah, I hope you guys make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all of your family members and relatives. I am a growing tech YouTuber, and I'm trying to make it at least a little bit big on YouTube, because it's kind of been, I've been watching YouTubers like half of my life. I've been watching YouTube for like half of my life, so I know like a lot of YouTubers, like Corey H. Kenshin. That's one of my favorite. Like FGTV. I like aspire to all of those guys, so it would be I would be pretty amazed if I like make it on YouTube. That would be crazy. But yeah, make sure to do all of that, and I will be linking my Twitch below, so that way you guys can follow my Twitch as well. I stream Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday if I do stream. I start streaming from either 3 to 5. Those are like my earliest and latest times that I start streaming. So if I do not start streaming between those times, then I'm just not streaming for the day. And I might have schoolwork, I might have stuff going on in my personal life, but yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video, in the next showing out this auto clicker script. Oh, and I didn't say it in the other video, but I'll say it now. It's this run as administrator thingy with the games overriding it. Do the same thing for this auto clicker script to fix that as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.